Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I bid to Madam Atika. My name is Nur Amalia Azafira binti Amran. Our group will present about one of the stock to picker systems, which is automated dispensing machine, or well known as A-frame automatic dispenser. So, A-frame automatic dispenser is an automated picking machine that gently dispenses product from vertical channel into totes, box, containers, or conveyor belt that traveling through the center of the material handling system. An A-frame system can be stationary or portable to accommodate facility and application requirement, and this automatic item picker is popular in industry with high throughput for small item of uniform size and shapes, such as cosmetics, wholesale drugs, nutritional supplements, fashion jewelry, compact discs, videos, entertainment, and polybag garments and others. Now, let's proceed with the advantage by using the system. So, the first advantage is high throughput. A-frame dispensers are capable of dispensing up to 5 items per second per channel. And compared to manual picking operation, this system in fact is so fast. As a point of comparison, consider that A-frame can dispense upwards of 4,200 orders per hour, and most manual picking systems fall somewhere in the range of 75 to 125 lines per hour, while other automated picking system fall somewhere in the range of 350 to 1,000 lines per hour. And the second advantage is reduce labor costs, because an A-frame dispenser automates the picking process. In most cases, an A-frame requires just a few employees working to replenish the inventory, so it will dramatically reduce the labor costs and allow warehouse to achieve a greater return on investment. And the last advantage is it can increase accuracy, productivity, and efficiency. As we know, humans are error prone. No matter how well trained or diligent, eventually errors will happen. In addition, will cause safety issue or damaging product. This error can also impact workflows and lead to inefficiency. So, by allowing A-frame system to manage the components of the operation that can be automated, these inefficiencies can be removed and ultimately reduce the waste and increasing the output. And all of this will allow the operation to become more accurate and therefore profitable. Now, let's proceed with the disadvantage using the A-frame automated dispenser. So, based on the slide, the first disadvantage is staff may lack training on computerized program. Some staff members might not be computer literate and may need extensive training in order to know how to program these machines correctly. So, when warehousing staff members are not properly trained on the use of the technology, a customer may receive the wrong order, and this issue will lead to low customer satisfaction. And the second disadvantage is high initial investment. In the long run, implementing an automated storage or equipment is likely to reduce labor and increase productivity. But this benefit come at a cost, which is the cost of initial investment. Like many automation endeavors, purchasing an automated machine is more expensive in the short term than hiring personnel or using other equipment such as forklift. And this initial investment can be a challenge for smaller operations that don't have ready access to capital. And lastly, the disadvantage of A-frame dispenser is limited product range suitable for the system because A-frame dispenser are suitable for the small item of uniform size and shape only.
Hi, my name is Anif Susara binti Yazid, and I'm going to continue with the cost of operation and time standard. If the company wants to build and set up the machine, they need to have 800,000 ringgit, and the operation cost per day is 142. This is based on if the machine runs for 18 hours per day. The machine cannot run for 24 hours because the machine still need human to control the machine using the computer. Moving on to the next slide, personnel scheduling. In this slide, we're going to talk about how many workers is going to be assigned to operate the machine. So 95% of the energy comes from the machine itself and needed only few human energies to operate. The warehouse will assign around 1 or 2 people for each shift. These people is needed to give instruction to the machine to pick and dispense the item that the customer ordered.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Safa bin Kamal Zaman, and right now I'm going to explain about the nature of equipment use. So firstly, A-frame is a self-contained automated paste picking machine designed to process a high volume of less than full case order at low operation cost. And a A-frame system is composed of 4 basic integrated modules. So, first thing first is a storage module. It is consisting a series of vertical channel positioned in a A-shape straddle the order collection module, and to store the individual item of various size and shapes to be dispensed as required by an order. And secondly, is a picking module. It is a position between storage modules to pick the quantity of aligned items in a specific order. Thirdly is an order collection module. It is a tote or conveyor belt running to the center of the A-frame system to collect picked items to a designated order space or tote on the belt as it passes picking modules. And the fourth one is control modules. It can be a standalone off the shelf based on proprietary system powered by one or several software modules. These controls are capable of interfacing with a wide range of host systems to receive orders and upload post-pick information. Also, interfaces with pick modules microprocessors to control all picking activities, monitors performance, and prints useful records. As you can see in the slide, it is the picture of the A-frame module system. Okay, so next is A-frame configurations. So, A-frames has 3 basic unit types. First is pick-to-belt A-frame system. It picks order onto a belt that runs to the center of the system. Secondly is to a A-frame system. It is a pick order into a tote or shipping carton that runs to center of the system. Thirdly is bucket to A-frame system. It picks order into one of a continuum of buckets that runs to the center. As you can see in the picture, it shows that the differences between the three basic unit types of A-frame.
And now we must know what is A-frame automatic dispenser function. A-frame automatic dispenser can maximize efficiently and optimal movement of product, including at the peak load. This system also can work in high volume order consisting of small and fast moving product with identical packaging. This system is very perform optimally and very helpful in medical sector. And now we learn the capacity of the system in production. This system have the accuracy of picking item with 99.97%. In operation, it is very important to make sure the item is a right type and the right quantity. Next is the system can pick 1,500 items until 2,000 items per hour, and it's very helpful to reduce our time operation. This system also have the capacity to dispense up 800 or more order per hour to conveyor. For your information, this system can dispense weight for stack as high in 35 pounds. This system has no specific area because of A-frame system can be stationary or portable to accommodate the facility and application of requirement. The space requirement planning based on product channel, which is ranging from 60 to 95 range on both side of the structure. Every product have a different size, but wide of each channel is easy to modify. As you can see, this example for the this system size.